Nature of management. The term management today has several different connotations that highlight the different aspect of its nature. Nature of management can be better understood by classifying it into three different categories. Management is an art. Art is the skillful and personal application of existing knowledge to achieve desired results. Management has a bunch of well-defined theories. Management theories are applied by the managers personally in their daily activities. Creativity and practice is an inevitable part of a successful manager to apply the management theories. Management as a science. Science is a systemized body of knowledge that explains certain general truths or the operation of general laws. Systemized body of knowledge. Science is a systematic body of knowledge. Its principles are based on a cause and effect relationship. Principle based on experimentation. Scientific principles are first developed through observation and then tested through repeated experimentation under controlled conditions. Universal validity. Scientific principles have universal validity and application. Based on the above features, we can say that management is a science. Management has a systemized body of knowledge. It has its own theory and principles that have developed over a period of time, but it also draws on other disciplines such as economics, sociology, psychology, and mathematics. Management as a profession. A profession has the following characteristics: well-defined body of knowledge, restricted entry, professional association, ethical code of conduct, and service motives. All these characteristics are well maintained and applied in management also. In other words, a manager should be a professional as well.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.